Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Looks like we were good on that 48,000 Bitcoin. We actually hit 48,149 and immediately dropped after Bitcoin hit that amount. And it looks like Bitcoin is leading again because because Bitcoin hit 48K and everything else basically followed it. Ethereum USD did the same exact thing. Ethereum hit a max of 3,333 bucks and then dropped. So I do think as of right now, Bitcoin is leading the market all over again. It did have that crazy push towards the upside. Remember, this push from 43,000 all the way to 48K. This is essentially what made it start leading again. And it looks like we might see a drop back down to around 45,000 maybe to retest, and then possibly that's what's probably going to take us to that next resistance at 48,722 for Bitcoin. But I think as of right now, Bitcoin is leading. The crazy part is ADA actually kept running super high, and it almost hit 230. And it's actually the highest that it hit was 2.25, so close enough. And it's still very bullish, right? It didn't even drop all that much. It just went to 220. They went to highs of 2.25, almost 230, and then dropped to like 217. It didn't have a massive drop like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think that ADA is kind of moving by itself right now, to be honest. I think ADA is probably going to hit 2.3. And then Bitcoin and Ethereum will probably follow if ADA does this move. But as of right now, it doesn't seem like Bitcoin or Ethereum's moves are affecting ADA price all that much. It seems like ADA is running by itself. But yeah, Bitcoin hits 48,000. Super crazy. I'll see you guys.